Hi, I'm Dr. Michelle Henry. I'm a board-certified dermatologist, and today I'm going to answer some of the most common questions I get about sunscreens. A chemical sunscreen uses chemical filters that absorb into the skin to protect it from the sun's rays. A mineral sunscreen provides a protective physical blocker over the skin, reflecting the sun's rays. You should wear sunscreen each and every day, even if you're indoors. It's important that we reapply our sunscreen every 2 hours. And how much are you applying? About an ounce to your body. An ounce is about the size of a golf ball. To the face, you should use about 1 teaspoon. The formula contains the 3 essential ceramides, which help to restore the skin's natural barrier and to lock in moisture. Make sure to always wear a hydrating sunscreen to keep your skin healthy and protected. CeraVe Hydrating Sunscreen is both sun care and skin care in one product. Again, I'm Dr. Michelle Henry. Thank you for watching.